What are some of the tax advantages of owning a property as your primary residence? That question I'm going to answer with 3 separate items in today's video. Yo, so what's going on, everybody? My name is Alex Hayden. I'm a local real estate agent operating out of Orange County, specifically operating out of Irvine, California. And I put this video together because I want to educate as many people as possible in regards to buying and selling real estate. So if you could please do me a favor, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, even hit the notification bell, because I drop videos on a weekly basis. I aim for about 2. Sometimes I'll even drop in a 3rd one just to educate you or let you know what is going on in my local market. And with that being said, let's get it. All right, so the first item on the list I'm going to address is something that I've talked about in previous videos, but it's quite simply tax deductions, right? So the interest that you pay on your house, that is a taxable event at the end of every single year. So now I am not a CPA, so I can't break down the logistics and tell you how everything actually works. But I do have a guy that I work with who's an incredible CPA. If you want his information and you want me to connect you guys, let me know and I can make that happen. I want to minimize as many taxes that I have to pay as possible. And one of the ways I'm able to do that is through the interest that I have the ability to deduct from the house that I own. This is definitely a tax advantage for you as the owner of your home. The second item on the list is specifically here in California. If I were you, what I would do is simply do a Google search. But one of the things that you're able to do is you're able to get a $2,000 tax credit if you have energy efficient appliances installed in your home. There are other California programs that will offer you rebates on the items that you that you purchase and that you install in your home. But again, I'm not a CPA, so please fact check me and tell me if I'm wrong in the comments below. But go ahead and Google, do your own research on the California tax advantages that you have. But definitely making your home energy efficient is going to do 2 things. One, it's going to save you money on your taxes. California will incentivize that. And the second thing is, if your home is energy efficient, then typically one of the things people do is get solar. With solar panels, your light bill is going to be significantly less than what it was originally. And there are other ways for you to outfit your home to become an energy efficient home. I couldn't spit that out for some reason. All right, before we continue with the 3rd item on the list, and when I tell you this is the item you really want to pay attention to because it's the most beneficial, stay tuned, right? But first I got to plug myself in. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell because I put out videos multiple times a week. All right, without further ado, I'm shutting up. Go ahead, let's get it. The number 3 item on the list, which is actually the most important, is the capital gains tax exclusion. Now, this is an incredible opportunity, especially if you've lived in your house and you're ready to sell. Basically, what this allows you to do as the homeowner is when you sell your property, you're able to deduct up to $250,000 of taxable income from the sale of your house, and it's up to $500,000 if you're a married couple. Now, this is incredible because in America, everything you sell is taxed. So to remove the taxable income or the taxable profits on income that you would make from selling your house is a huge pro. Now, a little bit deeper into this, one of the things that you have to be aware of is when it comes to taking advantage of this, you have to have lived in your house for the past 2 of the last 5 years, right? So within the last 5 years, 2 of those years you have had to live in your house. So why is this such a great thing, right? This lets me know that, hey, I can live in the house, I can buy another house, and I don't even have to live in it for 3 years. If my plan is to sell it in 5 years anyways, then I lived in it for the first 2, and then as long as it's sold within that 5-year mark and I lived in it for 2 years, I'm golden and I can qualify for this tax benefit. And at the end of the day, again, how I feel about it is I'm trying to minimize the amount of taxes that I have to pay every single year in a legal way, of course. All right, your boy is not down here trying to evade the taxes, right? I can't go to prison. I wouldn't work, bro. It wouldn't work. But these are all advantages that you absolutely have at your disposal in order to lower your tax liability. And with that being said, that's all I got for y'all today. Please take your time to hit the like button if this content was at all valuable to you, and if it would be valuable to somebody else, feel free to share the content, man. Somebody else can use what the gems that I'm dropping in this video. All right, with that being said, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.